Those two gorgeous airplanes.
Perfect. Same.
That was a beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen. Watch as they climb. Now Randy's in lead. He's going to pull back into a half Cuban back towards show center. And we've got Sticky, Hall Sticky Strickland behind him. Watch as the lead jet pulls out of the formation. And watch number 4 as he dives in, rolls that airplane on knife edge. He's creating what we call the flat 8, demonstrating the high G maneuverability of this L-39. It's a good thing he's wearing that G-suit because he's pulling 6 Gs in those turns. That G-suit keeps the blood from pooling in his lower extremities. And boy, there he goes, wrapping a second half of the 8. Okay, so one more time. We've got a lot more of the Patriots. I just need to hear from you. Are you folks having a good time? That's what I'm talking about. Now look behind you. We've got some special friends here today. Cover this up so you can see what the Patriots are creating for you today.
Oh, they're gonna do something.
No, can you see?
I can see. Put your hand right
We're
over
going
the
to
side.
dedicate this
Oh,
heart
another heart.
to Sarah, her two girls, Jillian and Eliza. We know we're having fun. And also out to all of the men and women serving this country. Oh, yeah. Now, folks, let's pump it up again. Look to your right. Let's look to your left. Watch as these two airplanes roll inverted for the Patriots' inverted hit.
Oh man, that was close.
Now, I gotta tell you, whenever you get a group of fighter pilots together, you know, every once in a while there's a little ego involved. And they want to know who can fly the lowest and who can fly the fastest. Now, if you look out to the left, we're going to take a look at our number 2 jet. Watch as that red smoke comes off. Oh, I'm 100% serious.
Well, he's coming low. Look. He's gonna hit
Let's
the
see the
ground.
low pass, folks.
Look how low. Crazy.
Yeah, what do you think of that? You think that was
He's going to
low?
the bridge.
So now, watch. From the left, we got our blue jet for the fast pass.
Oh, the competition. Go lower. I love red got it.
Yeah, a little bit about Hotline Construction, our partner. It's a woman-owned business. We're thankful to have them supporting us. Now look out to your right. We've got Randy and Sticky for the echelon pass. Get those cameras ready. Now Randy's going to call those boys back together. He's going to rejoin the Diamond, all 4 jets together. But we've got 2 more solos out there, 5 and 6. Now watch as he flies outbound over the aerobatic box, bringing the 4 back together.
The leader.
And in just moments, coming in from behind, we've got 5 and 6 to
the other
perform
two.
what we call the in-trail
Above your head.
loop. Ladies and gentlemen, to have these 2 airplanes
The other
stacked
two,
on
the
top
hidden
of
guys.
each other like that and pull up into a loop.
Hard.
The inputs on the controls are phenomenal. The work that they put into this. An incredible group of volunteers here to make a difference for all of you. What an incredible day in Riverside. We're from Northern California. We're your local jet team.